Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Welcome back to another video, guys. This is an interesting video to say the least. I'm sure you saw from like the very opening, like the little clips that I threw in there for you guys. This is a pretty funny episode. I mean, it's basically just me and a couple people versus a 700-pound engine in my bed without trying to destroy my bed completely, which kind of ended up happening anyway. But yeah, it's fine, you know, whatever. It got done. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut right to it, and I'll leave you with that. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.
Literally, the bed of the truck barely fits.
God damn. All over the bed. I was wondering what the fuck this smell was. How do I want to do this?
You want to move it off the bed of the truck.
Yeah, I got that. But
Oh,
that
there.
is like piercing my edge, my bed, so. You think if I drive fast enough I can get it to tumble out the back?
Sure, 1,000 pounds.
Hey, it works!
Okay, it actually better than I anticipated.
But I need. Okay, I did a thing. That's just antifreeze that he probably should have taken out. Control.
I'm a little late for that.
Let's give Jake a call. Yeah, there's no. That chair will not help. There's no way.
Dude, that chair will so not support that.
That chair will move in an instant. Ramp's a bad idea because then the engine's just gonna slide and hit the cement. Bro, you're going Whoopi Goldberg style. You're gonna need to put cinder blocks behind that. That wood will snap, dude. There's no way.
There's 2 more pieces on the fence right behind you.
It's still not gonna help it. It's not gonna move. It's definitely gonna move.
I have a feeling once you get it down that way,
That's gonna be the best bet.
camera's that way.
Alright, Melissa, this is when you pick up the camera and you make sure you get everything. I go up.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, okay, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Okay, you're peeing on yourself right there. Be
So
careful.
keep it up. Keep it up. There's the oil in this thing.
Okay.
Now put that end under it.
Under what?
Bring that straight onto it. Right there. Now tip it. No,
This
turn
way?
it sideways,
Yeah.
yes.
And you want to lift it up underneath.
Under the engine?
Yes.
We're gonna rock it back. So Jake, rock the engine back so she can put it under. All right, Mom, you're gonna pull back towards you, and we're gonna push this way up onto you. Ready?
Nope, you got to button the engine in off. It didn't move. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, there's the oil. No, that's the oil.
Oh, there's the oil.
Let it all go.
Grab the pan.
Pan.
For which part? Something.
Okay. Oh, Jake, don't lean on it. Dude, I'm holding it. You're leaning too much. Oh my God, your dad's gonna kill you.
Yeah, we know how to.
What? Kill me.
Dolly's got.
1, 2, 3. Everybody go at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
To what? I'm slipping on the oil.
Hang on, I wish I could.
Now we're good. It worked. Okay, so at this point, I basically live at this car wash. I mean, I am back and forth between this place all the time. So now we're gonna clean out the bed. This is right after I had just removed the engine, and you know, we got this little nice dent job here. This is all snapped off. That's gonna have to get something done to it. I have to clean this out because I have a trip tomorrow, and we're gonna need the bed. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned out, and I'll set you guys up so you can watch that, and then yeah, we'll be back. Alright, so we just sprayed off the bed here. That's all cleaned in there. We got some nice dents from, that's the nice screw from the manifold right there. There's another screw mark. I mean, it's all over the place. And then the extra time I had, I just sprayed off my tires and a little bit under here because I'm gonna be cleaning up under the truck a little bit soon. I gotta, oh, that's nice. Look at it hissing out from the bed there. That means I got a hole, that's great. But yeah, so that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video, guys. There's gonna be another video coming out very soon. It's gonna be me coloring my mom's wheels black. She's going midnight on her car. That'll be very soon. But I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video after all the stupid shit that happened in it, make sure you drop a like and a comment on anything that was funny or anything you guys want to see soon. And yeah, we'll catch you next time.